Today we're covering KOD, a company with 3 distinct Phase 3 data readouts in 2026, a management team poached from the competitors they are disrupting, and a UBS price target of $50, nearly 100% upside from here. This is Ticker Talker. After a clinical failure in 2022, Kodiak has been reborn, gaining over 500% in the last 6 months. Their main product is the ABC platform. Right now, patients with eye diseases like wet AMD have to get injections into their eyes every 4 to 16 weeks. It's painful and expensive. Kodiak's tech allows the drug to stay in the eye for up to 6 months. If their platform works, they compete in the multi-billion market of Eylea from Regeneron and Vabysmo from Roche. KOD has a unique strategy compared to most biotechs. They deliberately retained 100% of global rights to their drugs, which suggests they could become a prime acquisition target for big pharma like Regeneron and Roche. A big pharma buyer won't just get a drug. They get a global franchise with zero royalty leakage. KOD has a rare triple phase 3 data this year. In Q1 with GLOW2, this is a repeat of their successful GLOW trial for diabetic retinopathy. Statistically, success repeats have a significantly higher win rate, and it could be the first major de-risking event. In Q3 with DAYBREAK, they go head-to-head against the industry giant Eylea. If they can prove their drug stays in the eye longer without losing efficacy, they win. In Q4, we see PEAK. It targets a condition called MESI, where there are currently 0 approved treatments. A win gives KOD 100% of the market. As a bonus catalyst, Dr. Sumit Sharma is presenting week 24 data from the APEX study on February 7th. If this data is strong, it de-risks the entire Q4 PEAK readout and could run the stock up before the Q1 GLOW2 data even drops. Last month, they closed a public offering of $184 million. Usually such a big dilution crashes a stock, but in this case, underwriters exercised their option in full, indicating that big institutions were literally fighting for more shares than were available. This is a rare bullish signal, which is further backed by the continued increase in share price. This offering also gives them enough cash runway for all 3 phase 3 trials. In this offering, Baker Bros, one of the most successful biotech hedge funds in the world, bought $60 million worth of shares at $23. When a whale like Baker Bros buys at 52-week highs, you pay attention. They now own 33% of the company. The CEO Victor previously co-founded Avidia, which was acquired by Amgen for $450 million. He's a seasoned CEO with a proven background of leading a company to acquisition. They have built a dream team by poaching key personnel from the competition. Their chief scientific officer, Dolly, came from Genentech, part of Roche Group, and their chief medical officer, Pablo Velasquez, managed the Eylea franchise for Bayer. The board is filled with dealmakers. They have the co-founder of Baker Bros, the global chair of M&A at Jones Day, and the former CFO of Bristol Myers. This is the team you build to win the market or get bought out by the highest bidder. Next, the technical analysis. The hard floor set by institutions is $23, but we do not want to see it drop to that level. There is an unfilled gap at $25, and gaps tend to be filled before a bigger run. Look for a potential entry around $25.50 with a stop loss at $24.80, just under the gap. Expect some resistance around $28 with a primary target at the 52-week high at $31.18. A bigger target is the big gap above at $50, which is coincidentally the UBS price target. We still need to be realistic. Clinical failure is always a possibility. Should any of these phase 3 trials fail, the stock could crash back down to $10. Competing against big pharma is always a challenge. It may not be an easy path to acquisition. Watch the February 7th APEX data closely. If it's good, KOD could be the best performing biotech of 2026. What do you think? Are you riding with smart money or waiting for the Q1 data? Drop a comment below and make sure to like and subscribe. This is Ticker Talker. I'll see you in the next deep dive.